And a bucket for Carao. And Isabela, oops, double technical. Oy! And here you go, Lu. Oy! Pass to number 15. Radak stays up and a bucket for Escobar. Pass 22. Launch bucket. Yung pasa Andal, no good.
Andal the rebound.
Put back shot of the window. The lucky bang. Kicks out. Tosino fakes.
Attacks.
Pull up get the mid-range bucket. Roop.
Too strong.
Floater again. The second time around again.
Middle.
Basta ang gandang pasa and ang gandang finish no. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Prisa Regional Meet 2024 para sa laban na ang Isabela at Cagayan. And a jump ball. Oop, nagkasalpakan sa gitna. Makukuha ni Carao. Carao dito. Number 15. Bounce pass inside. Pass on the middle. Ooh, Carao. First block. Ventura. Pass to Bukad. Bukad. Side step. Reverse layup. And basket. There's number 15. Oops. Fires off the glass. And a bucket. That's and the number 11 Ventura. Corner. Fix. Tosino. Spins. Bumalik. Lays up. And a bucket. And here you go. Number 15, number 11 on the corner. Pass inside. Ang gandang pasa. Oops. Hindi pumasok mga idol. Oop. Natapikan. Tosino, side step behind the back, dribble pass. Oh, basket and one. And here's Akio, bounce pass there. Kakaldag dito si Andal. Spins, fade away shot, no good. Bukad, baseball pass. Ventura, oop. Pass. Pass, too strong, rebound, put back by Ventura. And it's Luis, baseball pass. Akio all alone. Oh, again short. Akio still out short. Oh, Akio still. Here's pass on the inside. Kakaldag dito, spins off the glass. Basket is good. And it's number 30. Pass on side, Nareba, put, and no good. Carao is there, one dribble. Reverse layup and a bucket. And here's number 15, Luis. Pass to number 15, Escobar attacks, lays up, and a bucket for Escobar. And pass back. Nagmamadali, pass to the middle. Domingo pinabitin, no good. Bumanga, picks fire. Basket and one. Kudal here. Cross pass there to number 21, pass 26, 22 launch, bucket. Pass to Jimenez, pass inside, eksakto yung pass sa Andal, no good. Andal the rebound, put back shot of the window, the lucky bounce. Didiskarte, cross pass there, corner 3. Bam! 3! Kudal. Side step. Plays up. Padre, no good. Andal. Baseball pass there. Nauna na si Jimenez. And easy bucket. Kudal. Kudal ngayon. Didiskarte. Atake spin. Mabibitawin yung bola. And here's number 30. Pass inside. Fix. Reverse layup. Oop. And a good for 2. And here's Padre. Padre drives, kicks out. Tosino fakes, attacks, pull up jet, the mid-range. Pass it there to Jimenez. Attacks, lays up, oop. Put back shot of the window and a bucket. That's Kudal, sorry. And Kudal, drive, agawan, baseball pass, 2 versus 1. Bounce pass, floater, easy bucket. Kudal here. Drives on the middle, kicks out, fakes, step back, carry move, bang! Basket and one, Tosino. And here's Jimenez. Kit Jimenez here. Chest pass on the corner. Holding the ball and dribbling the ball. Liban. Pass to Jimenez. Drives. Pass on the corner. Sumalida tumira using the window. Yes, sir. And that's the end. Bukadir for dribbling the ball. Oop, natapikan ni Jimenez. Dalawa silang bumaba. And Jimenez. Easy bucket. And for the inbound. Pass there at the middle. Jimenez here. Jimenez drives, kicks out, fires off the window, and a back. Dribbling the ball, crosses the mid lane. Tusino, stop, pull up, J, long two, bucket! And here's Jimenez. Jimenez tatapikan. And for the lead, oops, Bukad, sumadance. And here's Liban. He stops. Cross pass there, corner, launch a triple, in and out. And here's the rebound for Tusino. Tusino, oop, nabitawan ang bola. Recovered, pass in the inside, fires Ventura the finish. Number 18 there for the rebound and pass there. Fix, pass inside, and easy bucket. Akio. Tusino here. Tusino, oops, straight to space, pull up J and a basket. And the pass on the corner, pass back. And here you go, Akio. Pass to Liban, fakes. Liban drives, pull up J. In and out, rebound, put back, wala pa rin. And you score the rebound, Tusino. Side step, floater shot of the glass, and a bucket. And long pass there, corner, fakes, Liban drives, he stops, kicks out to number 30 on the middle. Carao attacks, side step, fires off the window, and a bucket. Pass there, Tusino, pass on the middle. Bukad attacks, floater shot, too strong. And pass there to number 14, Escobar. Sumalida, lays up, and a bucket for Escobar. And behind the back dribble, pass on the corner. Tusino fires. Oh, busy. And he's dribbling the ball, Luis. Number 15, pass on the inside. Andal on the glass, and a back. And here's for the inbound. Oop! Accidentally pass. Agawan dito. And pass there, number 22. Lagyo. Oy! This is the mid lane. Slowly moving down. Akio, drive, floater shot. Oop, too strong. Floater again. The second time around the game. Tusino here. On the middle. Pinasa, ang gandang pasa and ang gandang finish nun. And here's number 5. And number 15, that's Luis to Akio. Akio here on the middle. Bounce pass to Escobar, stops. Behind the back pass. Fakes, clutch fire, Butata. And here's number 15, Luis. Pass to the middle. He spins by Carao. Fires. No good. And still the rebound for Carao. And still drive beneath bit. Hook shot. No good. Andal Kaldag. Butata na naman. And Carao here. Sumalat. Oop. And basket. And one pala yung gusto. Off the glass. Yes, sir. Crossing the mid lane now. Carao bounce pass to Akio. Akio di-dribble dito. Akio attacks, kicks out, launch a 2, long 2, and a back. For Team Isabela, behind the back dribble. Pass there to number 6, Kudal. On number 30, floater shot, and a bucket for Luis at the middle. Pass to Escobar. Escobar fakes, kicks out to Andal, launch a triple. Bang! Domingo here. Domingo, between the legs dribble, behind the back. Stops, looking for receiver. Pass to number 30 here again. Kakaldag dito, mag-aatid sa loob. Spins. Hindi na iba to yung bola. Recovered. Butata, put back shot, and the finish by number 26. Domingo fakes fire. Ventura passes to Kuda, Bukad, pass on the middle. Here's Ventura. Pass back to Bukad on the corner, drives, pass inside number 30 again, off the glass and a back. And here's Escobar. Escobar drives, kicks out, attacks, stops, fakes, lays. Go holding the ball. For Team Isabela. Kicks on. Launch at 3. Bang! Tosino. 3. Pass inside to Carawali. Pass and the finish by... And here's Bukad. Bukad passes to Padre. Pass on the middle. Here's number 30. Kakaldagoledi spins. Lays up. And a bucket again for number... Agawan this time. Pass break ngayon to Akio. Akio. Bounce and fire. Manny. Bukad. Bukad to Tosino. Tosino holding now the ball. Tosino dribble. Attacks. Fakes, fires, and the finish by Tosino. Here. Andal holding the ball. Pass to Luis. Luis di discarte. Attacks. Kicks out to Andal. Andal drives. Fakes, fire. Off the window. In and out. And the save there for Kudal. And here's Tosino now. Pass to Kudal. Kudal, baseball pass inside, floater shot, and the finish, number 21, pass. And Carao here, attacks, spin move, pass inside to Andal, dalawa yung tumalon. And here's Kudal, he stops, pass on the inside, reverse layup, the alley play. Ball, Tosino dito, passes to the middle. Di-discarte ngayon si Kudal. Kudal, pass to Tosino, drives on the corner, lays it up, coach to coach, and the finish by Tosino. Oh! Jimenez, corner pass, launch a triple, too strong, and there's the finish. And here you go, Team Isabela. Bukad here, nagtatapikan. And pass there to Carao. Carao drives, oop. Middle. And drive, lays up, and a bucket. Game tayo mga idol. Here's Padre. Pass to Tosino, launch a triple. No, good. Carao. Carao, nagmamadali dito. Side step, tumira off the glass. Yes, sir. Kudal here, cross pass there. Launch a triple. No good. Rebound by Jimenez. Pass break ngayon. And plays up and basket for 2. Gio, Padre, 1 versus 2. Oh, nag-jelly! Oh, and the finish! 14 seconds, game clock, pass break, picks, fires off to, yes sir, Liban. 5 seconds here. Na Padre, long 3. Here's Tosino. Oop, natapikan dito. Rick. Coach Fire. Oh! Nag-flex. Launch a triple. No good. Off the... Tosino. Oy! Too strong. Oy! Liban almost lost the ball. Pass back. Liban, good for 2. Go. Domingo. Pass there. Oh, pinasaan ng kalaban. Yan, Luis. And easy bucket. Pass to Tosino. Pass on the inside na tapikan. Bounce pass. Pass break ngayon, Luis. And a easy bucket again for... And there's Tosino. Oops. Floater shot. No good. Nakakuha ngayon. Pass break. 1 bounce, 3 balls raised, and a bucket! Escobar. Luis. Liban. Pass inside, picks, reverse layup, and a bucket for Luis. Padre bumangga, inabitin pa, and a bucket for Liban here. Liban. Pass to Akio. Escobar, side steps, humigway, no good. And here's Padre, napakabilis ni Padre talaga bumangga. Recovered, Tosino there for easy bucket. Akio. Oop, nakagawan dito. A chance. Puso palpal si Idol. And for the backdoor inbound, Domingo here. Di Discarte drives, lays up, no good. And Rick Padre here. Pass in the middle, floater shot, and out and in. Liban. Pass it there. Luis. Ruiz there. Luis pass inside. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. Ranger drives. Bumanga. Pull up J. No good. Picks and clutch fire. Basket. Bound. Pass back. Picks. Fire. Oop. Nakatapalan. And here's Liban. Kicks out. Nandal. Pass inside. Fires. Oh! And a bucket. And Padre here, nagmamadali na tapikan. Akyo, 3 versus 2. Pass to Liban. Fires, in and out. Floater shot, Akyo. Luis, good for 2. Luis. And there's Domingo. Domingo, hook. And for the inbound.
To Luis.
Drives behind the back dribble. Drives again, picks. Pass inside. Ang gandang pass. Ano? The connection. And sino? Fires. Pinilit pumasok. Pass to Andal there. Akyo. Akyo here. Bounce pass inside. Natapikan. And here's Domingo. Domingo. Itosino fires off the glass and a Ventura kicks out. Padre launches to 3. Short. Padre natapikan. Total 6 idol. Sa 3. Bang! 3 point! Uy! Team Cagayan.